It's time to bake our cards. Single out 2 layers at once, where there is a high polygonal and low polygonal model. Carefully look over these models. All the details have to cover each other. This is necessary for correct baking. Combine all the details of the high poly model into one. Create a new texture, 4096 pixels in size. You can get a smaller value, for example 2048 or 1024, but then the picture quality will be worse. Go to the render settings and set the bake mode to ambient occlusion. Since 2 models will participate in the baking, put a trick where it says selected to active. The bias value will be changed to 0.1. Before baking again, divide the turret into parts. This is necessary for the correct baking of shadows. Moving parts should not be baked nearby, otherwise its shadow will fall on it. Separate every detail by some distance. Center, left 1 meter. Middle part in place. The lower part is 3 meters lower. The base of the turret is 1 meter lower. The right part is a meter to the right and 3 lower. By knowing the distance, we will be able to return parts to their starting positions. Before baking, make sure that object render is allowed. There is an active icon in the form of a camera in the outline panel. Bake the texture. After the texture is baked, immediately save it. Change the bake mode to normal, and then bake. Save UV layout. To do this, click on UV, export UV layout. That's it, textures are now ready.